Perfect.
Sorry, buddy. I just turned the knob on. I was like, doesn't Paul Kennel have the heat on?
You want the heat on? I thought we were going for the full cold weather
This
experience.
is typical Porsche. Turn that up.
There we
that
go.
Up, that up. Bam.
Bam.
So this is easier than the older ones.
Oh, yeah, slightly.
All right, so we are in a 1988 Carrera 3.2 Cabriolet, and quite frankly, I was colder before we left. It's warming up quite nicely.
Yeah.
I see why people do it. You know, I'm not a Cabriolet guy, but I do get why people do it every time I get in one.
I'm pleasantly surprised that this is a pleasant drive. I figured it would be more turbulent.
So did I. Now, I thought air turbulent and car and ride turbulent, but this seems to handle very nicely. Now, I'm not pushing it. We're like 60 miles an hour, nice mountain drive.
But at 60 miles an hour, I figured it'd be a little more flexy. I didn't think it'd be this flat.
There is more torsional rigidity than I thought also.
Yeah.
Let's see how it takes this turn. Come in a little. There we go. I'll tell you what, it still turns in nice.
Yep.
I mean, I tried to make that a little bit of drama, and the car was like, no, I'm just gonna take it. I don't know, man. This is like, I thought there'd be a tremendous amount to say, but I wonder if this is gonna be one of those segments where each and every time we're like, I love it, no, I love it, no, I love it.
I think we're just surprised of the quality of all the drives. Like, I haven't had anything negative to say to any of them. I had opinions before I said, like, sitting in the car of what this would be like,
Yes.
but it's nothing like that.
No, I feel the same way.
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh, that's a great idea. What we think it's gonna be.
Yeah, and then what it actually is.
Can I tell you something else I thought of? And I know it's cheesy, but I want to do it.
What?
I think we should come up with a rating system that is as simple as Siskel and Ebert. And you and I have two thumbs. Here we go. Got one of your stickers. See if he notices. Stamped. Everything feels new. 56,000 miles, probably 57 by the end of the day. Feels like a new car. Yeah. I mean, it holds. Tuck my scarf before the turn. Feels good. Feels real good. It does feel good. Real good. It's nice in the right seat.
It's really nice.
And I mean, I'm doing 80 right now. Do you feel comfortable?
Super comfortable. I wonder if the height on the vehicle has something to do with it. Paul did mention it's like an inch lower than Euro spec.
I was going to say two things. I agree with that 100%. And then maybe the other thing is these seats. I think they're the sport
The
seats.
bolster seats?
The sport seats have a certain bolster. I had these in my 944 Turbo. They don't really give you, there's plenty of room to move around, but they won't let you go anywhere.
Right.
Oh, that's nice. I mean, I get it. This is a lovely cruiser. This is not what you get if you want to go up to the crest, if you want to go, rip around and X amount of miles an hour. This is the one you take to Malibu. This is the one you can still come up on the crest. We were just doing 90 miles an hour back there just for a second. Oh, lovely. Oh, lovely. Turn here.
Yeah, this is definitely a Malibu picnic car.
Malibu picnic car is good. Anything where... Yeah, oh, there it is. This one. There's so many levers. Anything where you kind of just want to get someplace in style.
Yeah.
You know, Magnus Walker. Speaking of our friend Magnus Walker, he was on the show yesterday, and he brought Hannah's Rolls Royce. It was a 1975 Rolls Royce, and it was something about that car. You don't have to try. You're welcome anywhere. It's a friendly, classy ride. Something about this is very similar. It's a friendly, classy ride. You'd be welcome anywhere in it. You can show up at a Cars and Coffee. You can go out to dinner with your wife. You show up looking at a house in this car. They know you can do it. You know what I mean? There's a little bit of panache that comes with it that I am feeling now after spending some time with it. I get it. I get it now.
I think the sound of the 3.2 really helps with the styling of this car.
You know what? It sounds great. We should find out if there's an exhaust on it or not, because it sounds fantastic.
Like if it were a 2.7 and it's high revving, it would be too loud to cruise in it.
Yes, but this still has a nice tone with the roof down, and it's loud enough that you can hear it, but it's not too.
Yeah,
I like it.
I like it too.
David, what would you rate this car?
I'd give it a thumbs up for sure.
Thumbs up for me
thumbs
too.
up.
2 thumbs up.
Cool.
We both like it, and we both give it 2 thumbs up.
Oh yeah.
Sweet baby Jesus. Do you feel as sexy as you look?
Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.